Edu-Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a very important thing. We are going to learn this Microsoft Word. So this is the thing which you are going to learn in today's session. So see, like Microsoft, let us go to the practical session. So like Microsoft Word, we know that we are having one more editor called Notepad. So here what I am trying to do, let's say I am writing something like this. We are learning about Notepad. Now I am writing the same thing in Microsoft Word also. So let me open this Microsoft Word. So here I am writing like this. We are learning about MS Word. Now my aim is just to increase the size of this V. So what I am doing, I am clicking on, I am selecting this V. I am going to format, I am going to font. Now let me select 36 as the size. But see, what is the problem? Problem is my target is what? Just to increase the size of V. But here what is happening? Everything is getting increased. So here what is our learning? We cannot manipulate. We cannot increase the size of a single character in Notepad. Now let us do the same thing in Microsoft Word. So I am going to Microsoft Word. I am trying to increase the size of this V. So I am clicking on this. I am selecting as 36. So see, only V got increased. So this kind of thing is possible in Microsoft Word. So this way, I hope you have understood the difference between Word and Notepad.
Your future starts here. Welcome to Multidimensional Training Institute Ascendance Edu-Tech. Master computer skills, programming, and English communication through practical, industry-focused training for students, professionals, and aspiring achievers. Learn, grow, succeed. Join Ascendance Edu-Tech today.
So Word is basically an advanced software. So Notepad, everything is not possible in Notepad. Yeah, some similarities are there. Like here we can save a file. Like if I go to save as, then if I give a name, let's say I'm giving a name like this text2. And remember, in case of Notepad, the extension file name will be what? .txt. Unlike your DOCX in MS Word. So let's say, let me save this file. So I'm saving this file. So see, I got a file name over here. Now same thing I am doing in MS Word also. So I am going to save as, I am going to say browse. Then I am selecting this desktop. Then I am giving a name like this. Let's say file 10. So I am giving a name like this, file 10. And in this case, extension name will be what? DOCX. But this option, see, if you want to save a file with a password, it is possible. But in Notepad, we will not get this kind of facility. If I go to save as, I will not get this kind of facility. So this is also a major difference between Notepad and MS Word. So some similar, like saving process we have in Notepad, same thing we have got in Microsoft Word also, but differences are there also. So that is why I hope that you have understood why should we learn or why should we use Microsoft Word. So I hope in this session you have learned something at least. What is the difference between like Notepad and MS Word? So please share your comment in the comment box so that we can understand your learning level. So this way I am coming to an end of this session. Thank you.